Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll let you know that how can you delete your Instagram account permanently. Yeah, so this is a very simple video. You can just follow out and also delete your account on Instagram. So let's start this video. Firstly, you just have to go on your Instagram application here. Make sure that you have updated your application, the latest version from App Store. After that, you have to go on Instagram here. This is my homepage and I will go on the bottom of the right, got my profile here, and the three dots on the top right corner here. The first is setting, and then in setting you have to go on the privacy, the fourth setting here. Scroll to the down, security account. So you have to go on your account setting here, and then you can click on the delete account, or you can deactivate your account temporarily or delete account permanently. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel again, and in this video we talked about how to delete your Instagram account. Thank you so much for watching the video.